Hey, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And today we've got just a couple of apps and websites that'll help you up your credit card game. So always good to up the credit card game and make sure that you're getting the most out of your spend. So let's go ahead and open up this first one. So this is Max Rewards. Let me start up this screen recording. So 3, 2, 1, and we are recording. Okay. So the first thing I want to point out about this is that if you use my description, link down in the description or in the pinned comment, you can get a month of free gold. So gold is worth it depending on how much you actually spend on your cards, because it has, it'll basically activate your offers, and it'll show you all of your offers in one consolidated area. So what are your offers? Your offers could be, let's say it's like 10% or 20% off of, I don't know, Ruth Chris or something like that. A lot of these credit cards have offers where you could save a lot of money. And what you could basically do is you can go in there, you can search up those offers. Let's say that you were already going to spend some money at, I don't know, Outback. Let's say you're going to Outback for some dinner. You type in Outback and let's say they have 20% off or whatever. Maybe you're trying to decide where you want to go to dinner and you see that there's an offer for some restaurant. You can save some money in that way. So as we see down here, the gold is it's automatic activation of quarterly bonuses, consideration of deals and redemptions, notifications for new and expiring deals, icon customization, auto activation of card offers factored into best card. So like you're basically, this thing, which we'll get into, it recommends which card you should use based on which cards you have available and where you're shopping. Spend and reward limit tracker, so it'll help you make sure that you're actually using, like there's some spend limits. So let's say like for the Chase or for the American Express Blue Cash Preferred, I can't talk today, you can spend $6,000 and it'll give you 6% back on groceries. But after you actually exceed that, you won't be getting that 6%. So it'll track that for you. And priority support. So anyways, all that to say, that's what you get with gold. So I'm going here to best card. So I put in my own personal categories in the Max Reward app. So I've got travel, grocery, other, ride sharing, dining, gas, airlines, and Airbnb down there. So those are the things that I felt were important to have on my home screen. You can set up your home screen however you want. You go in there, you push this add button up to the top left there, and you'll just add your cards. And basically what it does is it tracks how much cash back you can get based on where you're at. Okay, so there are the deals. We don't have that because I don't have gold activated right now. I'm actually having trouble activating gold right now. So as far as whether or not you should pay for gold, that is in question right now because I am unable to actually activate gold. So you can go in there, you can choose your price. So you can go as low as $5 or $4. You can go with a yearly or a monthly option. So the monthly option is going to be more expensive, but the yearly option is going to be less expensive, but you just pay for it all in one chunk. So let's go over here. You can go over to deals. Yeah, so you could search up deals, or if you go into categories, I gave you guys on my story an example where I was trying to buy a book. So you type in book and it'll bring up bookstores. Let's say that I wanted food. We type in food, it'll go fast foods, Whole Foods, food delivery. You could go groceries. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't have groceries. Maybe it has grocery. Okay, yeah, this thing's not very smart. But anyways, you can type that in and make sure that you are getting the most cash back for whatever it is that you are buying. So that's Max Rewards. There's some good features in there. If you want the description, the link in the description will help you get some free gold on that. So if you have a lot of spend, like if you have a business or something like that, that could be really worth it. So this next one that I want to get into is AskSebi.com. So a lot of times he's got just really interesting stuff, and also his YouTube channel is very useful. So this is some rules for the Chase Sapphire Preferred, or rather just for Chase cards in general. So we've got things like the 524 rule, the 230 rule. He's basically just got articles under this blog tab that you can go into. And for example, the 230 rule means that you can't sign up for 2 cards every 30 days or you'll automatically be rejected. 524, you can't sign up for 5 within 24 months or you will automatically be rejected by Chase. So there's just some good stuff on here. You can go in here for credit card offers. When you go to credit card offers, it'll take you over to another site, which I want to get into, which is not that one. it is creditcards.com. So creditcards.com is pretty good. You go in here, you can enter in all of your information. So you enter your name and then the rest of your information. It'll send you an email and give you targeted offers. Okay, so it'll basically give you targeted intro bonuses and targeted pre-approvals based on a soft pull on your credit. Okay, so they'll do a soft pull on your credit. They send you an email, and then they'll send you credit card offers. But this is the website itself, creditcards.com. You can go in here, and the thing that I really like about this is you can search up, look, credit card category. So you could go in here, you could go business. Let's go into gas. So this kind of shows the magic of this site. So we go into gas, we see this Sam's Club MasterCard, 5% on gas anywhere up to $6,000. So if you sign up for that one, you can get 5% on gas. Okay, I personally use the Costco Visa Rewards, which is 4% on gas at any location. But yeah, over here you've got 3% back on gas, and it'll basically give you what it considers the best cards based on the category that you choose. So we go over to gas. Let's go to cash back. Okay, so some of these I found from this site. So like this is the next one that I'm planning on applying for, is the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. It's got a $0 annual fee, $200 intro bonus, and 2% back on everything. So I was going to go with the Citi Double Cash, but it's got 0 annual fee, no intro bonus, and gives you 2% back. But I'm looking at this one now. So you can go through, and based on what you're looking for, like let's say that you were looking for intro bonuses. Let's go sign up bonuses. You could have gone to travel over there, but it'll show you what it considers the best intro bonuses right now. So Chase Sapphire Preferred, I really recently just signed up for that one. Chase Freedom Unlimited, that's another good one. $200 intro bonus right there, no annual fee. Chase Sapphire Reserve, 60,000 points right there, which can be valued at $600 or more when you value it based on the travel that you can redeem it for. So it just has all of these cards. All right, I'm not going to beat that dead horse too much, but you could also go based on credit range. So let's say you had bad credit. It's going to give you some good secured cards. Okay, let's say that you had, let's go up to good credit. All right, it's going to give you these other ones. Okay, Jasper, Citi Double Cash, or if you go to excellent credit, you're going to start getting into your more premium type cards. Okay, so that is that. And the next one I want to get into is Bankrate. So it looks like I was looking around here in some news. They've got some news in here. They've also got, you could go mortgages, and you could go mortgage rates. Let's see. Yeah, let's go into mortgage rates and see if we can't see what the mortgage rates are right now. Skip and show me the rates. Okay. So obviously they're a business. They have to make their money, and they were trying to get me matched up with a lender. But I just went to skip and show me the rates. So you can come in here and see the best mortgage rates. You could go into credit cards, and you could go, once again, you can go by how good your credit is. You could go by rewards. You could go by travel or whatever, cash back. So best credit cards of 2021. This is just based on their opinion. You can also go to cardmatch.com, which is going to take you over to that creditcards.com, or it's going to give you pre-approvals. So let's go back into credit cards, best credit cards of 2021. It's kind of giving us some of the same things. So Wells Fargo Active Cash, that's one that I'm thinking about signing up for, but it'll just give you some good ideas based on what you want to do. So anyways, creditcards.com. Yeah, backtracking a little bit, they'll send you an email with the pre-qualifications when you go over here to creditcard.com. You put in your information, and then they send you those pre-qualifications. What else do we have here? All right, so we had bankrate.com, and last we have the points guy. So let's go into the pointsguy.com. He's basically got more or less the same thing. So this guy, he's got cards, best credit cards. You can go in there. He's got good articles. He's got targeted offers. So if we go into this one, let's see, let's go to apply now. And when we get in there, it should say something like, this is the pointsguy.com targeted offer. Okay, so this is basically, some of these are directly from him. Okay, so this is recommended from our partners over at the Points Guy. Okay, so basically all that to say, there are certain websites where you can get targeted offers. There are certain websites where you can get offers that are exclusively from these websites that they know that the card issuers know that they get traffic. One thing that I did forget to mention during the Max Rewards section is that you see down here that you've got the $200 hotel credit, you've got the $200 airline fee, you've got the $300 with Equinox. So within the Max Rewards app, it'll actually track those things for you with gold. So That is another benefit of the gold offer. Hopefully you guys like this video. Like, you don't want to be leaving money on the table. You don't want to be spending more than you have to on your purchases. A lot of these purchases, you have to make them anyways, so you might as well save some money. If you have these cards and they have benefits, you might as well not be leaving money on the table. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.